Okay, the first thing I'm going to draw is a line. Who knows what that line is? Who knows what that line is? Jordan? Let's pretend that this is water and the water is calm. This is the rest line, also known as resting position, resting line, rest line, whatever. Let's just pretend that this is the medium and there's no energy, there's nothing disturbing it. Okay? And then someone comes along and they throw a big rock into this medium, which we're going to say is water. Okay? So real quick, I'm just going to draw a line up here and a line down here, because when you disturb the medium, the waves don't just go up. Okay? The waves go up and down, up, down, up. Okay. So now the medium has been disturbed and there's energy traveling through it. All right. So this rest line, the energy traveling through is going this way. All right. And the particles of the medium are going up and down. Has anyone ever been in like the ocean and just bobbed up and down? Okay, because the energy is actually going through the water, causing the water to rise and fall, rise and fall. Okay, so that's why for these types of waves, instead of going back and forth parallel like longitudinal waves, these waves are, what's this right here? That's a right angle. If you do this, cross your hands, your arms, what's that? Perpendicular. So for these types of waves, instead of the energy, the particles and the matter being parallel, the energy and the matter is perpendicular. Okay, so now let's just say I threw a big rock and the wave went up and down, making big waves. What part of the wave am I talking about? How big, how much the wave goes up and goes down. This would be amplitude. Amplitude is how far the wave travels from the rest position. So from the rest position up to here, from the rest position down to here, these are amplitudes. Okay? What is this part up here? The crest. And then there's this funny word. What's this one? Everybody say trough. This is the trough. Okay, now, what am I missing? Okay, if I go from crest to crest, or trough to trough, or this part of the wave to this part of the next one, or from this part to this part, those are all what? Those are wavelengths, and wavelengths are from one point on the wave to the same point on the next wave. Those are wavelengths. And if I drew this wave good enough, I can actually take my meter stick and measure each one, and they should be the same. Okay? So listen, we did longitudinal waves in sound. Now we're doing transverse waves and light. Okay? And so for starters, you need to know all of this, which for some of you, that means studying and taking your notes home and reviewing the information. Jordan. The crest is the top. The bottom is the trough. So they are separate parts.